PSNA College of Engineering and Technology Department of EC presents online spoken FTP on Advanced Communication Laboratory. Today experiment mode characteristics of class optical fiber cable single mode and multi-mode graded index. Contents of mode characterization kit. First 162.5 bar 125 graded index multi-mode class fiber batch cord with ST connectors. Second one 9 divided by 125 single mode glass fiber batch cord with ST connectors. Third one 650 nanometer laser diode unit and last one detector unit. This is our mode characterization kit which contains laser diode unit, detector unit, multi-mode optical fiber cable and single mode optical fiber cable. This is our full setup for study of mode characteristics of single mode optical fibers. This is our close-up view of this experimental setup. On system power up, the laser diode unit emit the light energy. This light energy is transferred via single mode optical fiber cable indicated by yellow color. And the energy received at the detector unit and displayed on the white color screen. The red color indicate the light energy pattern. The required device to establish this experiment is 650 nanometer laser diode unit and detector unit. Both are connected via the single mode optical fiber cable. And this is our detector unit which contain the two devices mount and screen. And this is our single mode intensity patterns. The single mode intensity pattern gets varied with respect to the variation over the single mode optical fiber cable. If you are touch or release the bending over the single mode optical fiber cable, it will disturb the light energy at the screen. Now you can view or observe the what is the variation occur over the light energy area. This is our single mode intensity pattern observed in the dark mode. In the dark mode only, the clear view of the light intensity is observed. The different level of the variation depending upon the distraction over the single mode optical fiber cable. The variation start from the full clear circle and the circle divided into the two region and divided into the four region. This is our single mode intensity pattern observed in the light mode. Again we are observing the what is the variation at this single mode fiber cable. And this is our single mode LP11 pattern. It seems to be a total circle is divided into the two region. This is our single mode LP01 pattern. Now you can see the screen, the light displayed clearly in the full circle. And this is our single mode LP22 pattern. Now the total circle into divided into the four region. And this is our single mode LP22 pattern observed on the screen close-up view. This is our single mode LP01 pattern close-up view observed from the screen. Likewise, you can observe the LP11 also. This is our setup used for study of mode characteristics of multi-mode graded index optical fibers. This is our close-up view of this experimental setup. our Rackford device to establish this experiment, we need 650 nanometer laser diode unit and detector unit. Both are connected via multimode optical fiber cable. On systemer, the laser diode unit again emit the energy. It will transport via the multimode optical fiber cable indicated by the color of orange. That light energy is absorbed in the detector unit and displayed on the screen. The red color indicates the light intensity. This is our multimode fiber intensity pattern absorbed in the dark mode. You can see the variation of the intensity level depends the variation of the multimode optical fiber cable. Again, if you touch or release the bending over the optical fiber cable, you can get the variation at the screen. This is our multimode fiber intensity pattern. Closely you can view the how the diameter of the intensity pattern get varied and how the light particle is spotted at the screen get varied due to the variation at the multimode optical fiber cable. The view is clearly observed in the dark board. You have to observe what is the diameter of these light level to measure the numerical aperture and V number. Next we are going to analyze what is meant by numerical aperture and how it will be calculated using the mathematical relation. From that, how we are calculating the V number. The V number is nothing but how the cutoff frequency of the fiber is calculated. The normalized frequency of the V number is also called as the V number or cutoff frequency of the fiber. It will be calculated by the formula of V is equivalent to 2 pi A divided by lambda into numerical aperture. This is our single mode step index specification. If the V number is less than 2.405 means then the mode is called as the single mode. And this is our specification of multimode graded index. If the V number, our calculated V number is greater than 2.405 means then the mode is called as the multimode. This is our another multimode graded index specification. It will be optional. All the specification, either single mode or multimode, it is characterized by the many different parameters. Next, we are calculating the numerical aperture measurement for the single mode. The light intensity displayed over the screen, you have to measure the diameter and also measure the total length of the screen in horizontal, and using the mathematical expression we are giving the conclusion for the numerical aperture. This is our numerical aperture for multimode cable. Again we are calculating the total level of the diameter of the intensity pattern. Next you have to measure what is the horizontal length of the screen. Then measure the numerical aperture. From that you can give the conclusion for the V number. This is our Rackford devices to establish the single kit. We need laser diode unit, detector unit, single mode and multimode optical fiber cable. Thank you one and all watching this video.